Hello and welcome to you to choose the program under Sikkim Manipal University. Okay, before coming to the program introduction, I want to explain myself and I want to introduce myself. I Arindam as a senior lecturer, Sikkim Manipal University, and before completing master degree program, I had some work experience in the different colleges, and then I completed MCA and MTech in computer science and application. And during this time I made a lot of different projects. Some projects are real life, some projects are completed in the different sites. Over 50 projects I did. So during this time I had some work experience under different university pupils as an examiner. I did that examiner as a consultant also in the data queue in West Bengal. Right now I'm doing the research work under the e-learning environment. Okay, now I'm coming to the subject introduction. It is a C language programming. In a very short and a very few way, if I say that C language is a root or mother language of all programming languages, right? So this language is a very essential to introduce yourself as a beginner in a basic programming. So I'm coming to the programming scenarios. So it is a mother or root language, right? So when you are coming to this language, very beginning, we have to understand what is the basic features there inside so that we can come across. So very beginning, we have to introduce the variables, structures, different types of levels, different types of symbols, what they are using in a C programming. After that, we have to come to the several simple algorithms. Algorithm is a basic and important thing so that we can develop our own program very easily. If we want to understand the algorithm, you have to read the steps, you have to put the units very carefully. Once you achieve that algorithm, you will be a complete man on the C programming. Okay, so after that, we have to do one thing. We have to step by step, small program we have to introduce. For the small program, we need some small compiler is there. Turbo C compiler we are frequently using in our lab, so that we can use it. Okay, after that, we can start a small program. Simple input divisions will be there. Simple process will be there. Some output will be there. If you are confident about that program, then you can come little bit complex program where some looping will be there, some decision making will be there. Then if statement you can run. After that if statement, you can learn the different looping statements. After that, you can find the different set of switch statements. They should be very important to learn. So after completion this, you can come to the very important thing, that is array. Array is a one kind of row where we can put similar type of data within the program. It is inside the memory only, inside the main memory only. When you can store the data, you can keep it, you can use in your program. After that, you can clean the memory by using or deleting some options within the program. Okay, so after that, we can come to the different type of array. It's a one-dimensional array we have, two-dimensional array we have, three-dimensional array we have. So all these different type of array we have to read. After that, we have to come some small functions. The very important thing in the C programming is that function. So if we use the function, so we can build up a small module of the program. Actually, the one single program, if you write through C language, it is itself a function. This function is called the main function. Okay, inside the main function, you have to explain, you have to divide the different modules. Then you can call the different submodules also within the function. This is the complete structure of the C programming. Along with, we can call the different level of other built-in functions. In the C programming, rather in the C compiler, we have lot of different functions. This is called the built-in functions. The built-in functions we can introduce in our program by using the #include command. Then after, at end of the program, we can add some remark statement, and each and every program, it is a very compulsory and very important that each and every statement must have some comment, so that after the completion of the program, after that, everyone can understand what is there inside the program. And the very common structure is there in a C program is that first we have to write main, then we have to open the second bracket, then you have to write all the different type of variables whatever we are using in the program. Then after, some input statements will be there. Okay, then after we have some display, we have some query, or we have some any other kinds of statements whatever is required within the program according to our logic. Okay, we have to explain the total outputs, then you have to show the outputs on the screen, then after close the program. For any further assistance, any further query, you directly mail me arindam.ray@manipal.u.com. Thank you.